if you're trying to weld with a Miller 141 and you're trying to do aluminum on it, and you do all of this like that, this is the video that you're looking for. Because I waste one tack of air gun and I couldn't weld nothing with this. I just destroy everything until I got something like that. It's not perfect, but I just got it set. You see here, this is what I got, very solid. And this one is what I was doing before. This is the good one, bad one. What nobody told me is, before to start welding, I had to change the polarity. I wish somebody told me that before, but there's no information on the internet, nowhere. So these two cables, one of them is coming from here to here, from here to here, left side, right side. This other one is the ground. You should have your ground like that. This here, the other one, ground. You can use this these numbers to set it, 265 or 480, that's depending the engagement. They are good. That's always depending your power. So I'm going to make the demonstration. And also here on the gas tank, it has to be open. This is closed now. Open. And when once you're welding, you have to reach from 30 to 40. 35 is great. It is terrible, so you cannot weld like that. I was using this machine like this, with this one here and the other one here, and that's how I got all of these pieces of aluminum there. So what you should do is change this one from here to here, and this one from here to here, like that. This one has to be here, and the other one is the ground. This is what I was doing before, and let's see now. Oh, the ground is hooked. The purpose of this video is not to teach you or show you how to weld aluminum. It's just explaining you how important is this. And if you have a Miller 141 and is set it backwards, it's set backwards, just try it, switch them and weld again, and that, I hope that will solve your problem. I wish somebody told me that before, but I spent one of this tank of gas and one of this wires, MIG welding wire, just trying to weld, and until I called somebody and he told me that it could be the polarity, and that's exactly what I did. Just switched them and it worked. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.